A lot of young people these days dream of becoming millionaires because they see clips on TikTok and Instagram and think it's a piece of cake. The truth is, while the internet does open up a lot of new opportunities, getting rich isn't as easy as it looks in those short videos. You can't just follow the crowd or learn some random skill online and expect to hit the jackpot. It takes more than that. To really build wealth, you need to follow a set of principles. That's why I'm going to share 6 key principles that can help you on your journey to becoming wealthy. The first principle: never limit your income. Many of us have been taught to be happy with just a little money, mostly because of what we've learned in school. This programming is so deep that some people actually feel guilty about making more money. That's why you'll find many people earning the same salary for years. It just doesn't feel right to them to make double or triple what they currently earn. They might feel like they don't deserve it or that it's somehow wrong. As a result, they stick with the same income range for their whole lives. You need to realize that there's no limit to how much money you can earn. Reprogram your mind to not feel bad about making a lot of money. If you don't, you might end up sabotaging yourself just when you start making good money. Number 2, value your time. The biggest difference between wealthy people and those who struggle financially is how they see time. People who are broke don't value their time. They only care about saving money. They can be extremely frugal, spending hours on groceries and cooking just to save a few pennies, or surfing the internet for months to learn a new skill instead of simply paying for a mentorship or an online course. On the other hand, rich people understand that time is priceless. They don't mind spending money if it means they can save time. You'll see wealthy people outsourcing chores. When they pay others to do the dishes or cook for them, they're buying themselves free time, which they can then use to earn much more money than what they paid for those services. The same goes for learning new skills. People with a rich mindset invest in the best source of information, like a coaching call or an online course, to save time and get structured information. If you want to become a millionaire, you need to value your time like one. Stop wasting your time while being overly frugal with your money. That kind of lifestyle will keep you broke, just like everyone else who does the same. Number 3, honor your word. This might sound old-fashioned in the age of TikTok and social media, but it's incredibly important. You have to keep your promises. You'll never be able to network with high-level individuals if you don't keep your word, because people simply won't respect you if you're unreliable. But even more crucial than keeping promises to others is keeping the promises you make to yourself. If you say you're going to wake up early to work out, do it. If you promise yourself you'll learn a new skill, follow through. The more often you break promises to yourself, the less you will trust and respect yourself. And if you don't truly trust and respect yourself, it's almost impossible to achieve anything meaningful in this world. The 4th principle: invest in yourself. One big reason why broke people stay broke is that they don't invest in themselves. They don't trust themselves to make good use of their investments because deep down they believe their efforts are worthless. They think even the best investment will be wasted on them, so they don't bother. On the other hand, wealthy people invest in themselves all the time. They improve their sleep quality, buy books, get mentors, attend webinars, and purchase online courses. They don't call everything a scam to cope with their own shortcomings. If you want to stay broke forever, keep calling everything a scam and never invest in yourself. But if you want to grow and succeed, start investing in yourself and trust that you can make it work. Number 5, talk less and listen more. No matter how much money you make, there's always someone you can learn from, even if you earn more than they do. Successful entrepreneurs know this, so they often shut up and listen because they're always looking for ways to get better. Broke people, on the other hand, tend to talk the most. They act like they have everything figured out, have an opinion on everything, and often call everything a scam. This non-stop talking makes them unlikable, and successful people don't take them seriously. If you really want someone to like you and teach you new things, know when to be quiet and make the conversation about them. Never act like you know it all. And the 6th principle: deliver value to the marketplace. There's really only one golden rule about money. You will get paid in direct proportion to the value you deliver according to the marketplace. This means the more value you bring to people, the more you'll get paid. What's considered valuable isn't based on your personal opinion, it's based on what the marketplace values. Take McDonald's, for example. Their food might not be great, but millions of people still value it for its convenience, which is why they make so much money. The same goes for influencers. Even if their content isn't high quality, The marketplace values their entertainment, so they get paid well. Offering value can come in many forms. You could create self-improvement videos, help others get in shape, edit videos, or make tutorial videos. There's no limit to the problems you can solve, and by extension, no limit to the value you can provide. If you're broke, it's likely because you're not offering any value to anyone. But if you bring value to the world, you can earn outstanding amounts of money. There's really no limit to what you can achieve by delivering value. By the way, if you want to level up in life, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. This way, you'll stay updated with all the valuable content we share and won't miss out on anything that can help you improve. Plus, it really helps support us, so we can keep bringing you great content. Until next time.